Who's that Pokemon?
It's the M1 Ultra. This is the first Apple device they decided to take two M1 Max chips and stack them on top of each other. Just take a look how big and beefy this guy is. But it's not just all looks, it even has the power to back it up. With a 20-core CPU, 64-core GPU, and 128 gigabytes of RAM, you couldn't pack more power into a tiny machine like this. The Mac Studio M1 Ultra has every port you need built right in. 4 USB-Cs, 2 USB-As, 1 HDMI, a headphone jack and Ethernet, and when you turn it on around, you get an SD card slot and 2 more USB-C ports. You can find this exact machine on Apple's website, fully maxed out, for a total cost of $8,000. Statistically, this little machine outperforms the massive beast of the 2019 Mac Pro. If you're looking to pick one of these up at a fraction of the cost, check out Techable.com. We have new deals just like this dropping weekly.